In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an AI note taker. This handy tool can be a real game changer in managing your notes and keeping track of all those important meeting discussions. Let's get started on how you can maximize its full potential. First things first, if you're not already there, head over to ClickUp. This is where the magic begins. ClickUp is a versatile platform that streamlines productivity by bringing your tasks and tools together. When you arrive at the main page, it may look a bit bustling with options, but don't worry, we'll navigate it seamlessly. Once you're in, direct your gaze to the left side of your screen. You'll want to find and click on Planner in the sidebar. The Planner is a central hub for most of your scheduling needs within ClickUp, making it a vital section to frequent for maintaining your productivity rhythm. Next, locate the Settings option. It's key to accessing the specific tools we'll be using today, particularly the AI note taker. Clicking Settings will open up a range of customizable options that enhance the way you work. Each setting is tailored to improve how you navigate your tasks and meetings. From there, you'll see the AI Note Taker option. This is your gateway to effortlessly capturing notes during your meetings. AI Note Taker transcribes and organizes information so you can focus more on engaging with the content rather than scribbling it all down. The subsequent step is choosing which calendar you want to sync your notes with. Click on the calendar you're using. This integration is crucial as it ensures your notes correspond directly to the meeting times and dates you've set. This way, you don't miss out on any important information correlated with specific events. Now, locate the AI Notes section. Click on it, and this is where you'll input your meeting link. Ensure you have the correct link copied earlier, then hit the Send button. This action prompts the AI Note Taker to start working with the upcoming meeting, ready to capture every essential detail discussed. After you've set the AI Note Taker, go back to your calendar and find the meeting schedule by clicking on it. Doing this allows you to double check everything's in place for your meeting. Finally, when your meeting is about to start, simply click Join Meeting. This ensures that everything's set up and your AI Note Taker is activated correctly. That way, you can focus on the conversation and let the AI do the heavy lifting of note taking. And there you have it. Your AI Note Taker is all set to keep you organized and your meetings thorough. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.